Hi guys, it's Kurt Clements with Graham Real Estate Group at Keller Williams. I am at 29 West 320 James Avenue in West Chicago. This house is just absolutely ginormous. It is over 4,000 square feet, 5 bedroom, 5 full baths, full basement. It's got like 6 master bathrooms it seems like. Let's take a look and see how. This is the outside, of course. You got a 4-car garage. I'd pull back, but I really don't have much space to go to. So this is your driveway. Alright, so let's go inside. It is hot today. Alright, so we come in, and by the way, open house procedures, still in COVID. Alright, so we come in the house. Beautiful skylight. Or not a skylight, just an entry light. And then this is our view. So we go all the way back. We see the kitchen there. Dining room here. And on the left, a living room. We're going to hit them all, so don't worry. Again, we are in COVID. So we have to sign you in, and yes, you are on camera. All right, so let's do this. Let's go left. So again, we come in the front door, this beautiful home, and beautiful flooring. Nice. Fake fireplace is not blowing out heat today, but it can. Let's go up. Got our track lighting, or cam lights, I'm sorry. And you can see where it's almost like a crescent type of ceiling. It's really cool. All right, so come over here, and here's your entryway, by the way. Give me another shot of that. This is such a beautiful home. Again, it's over in West Chicago. Easy access to 59, although not too close. We're kind of, it's almost like you're in a nature type of area. Coat closet. So you kind of have a formal dining area here, more of a breakfast type of dining area here if you would like it. But look at all this cabinetry. Obviously, wine fridge. It's just a beautiful home. So we'll come over here to give you this view. Fridge area. Look at this countertop. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, so let's take a look over here. Just to give you an idea. I don't know why, I just love these exhaust scoops. And then let's check out our sink. It's a sink. We'll give you a better view of that. Your faucet, backyard. Again, remember I was telling you we're kind of in a nature area? All right. Enough with the kitchen. Kind of a family room area. Beautiful fan, and again, the ceilings are just beautiful. More can lights, and guess what? We have another fireplace that has the ability to put out heat. That's where your TV would go. Just a gorgeous home. I did not unlock the door. Let's see what we got. 2 air conditioners. There's the back. Little pagoda. Some trees. Again, out of respect for the owners. Bird nest. Out of respect for everybody loves living here. Out of respect for the owners, I did take off my shoes, so didn't want to go too far outside. All right, so again, if you're coming out of the family room, this is your view of the kitchen. Again, just gorgeous. All right, we're gonna go downstairs before we go upstairs. And again, we're at 29 West 320 James Avenue in West Chicago. This, one of the full baths, beautiful tile. Storage. Yours truly, hey. And it's gonna be a little dark. Just a standard shower. Nice tile. And again, this great flooring. Access to your crawl space. And let's go in here. Washer and dryer area. Tub. Put all your detergents and stuff. Again, look to the outside. Electrical. HVAC area. Let's see. Air humidifier up there. Humidifier. And let's get out of here. We'll go take another look at our ginormous basement area. Again, can lighting is throughout. Just a beautiful home. Let's take a look at the outside. Again, this is a 5-bedroom, 5 full bath home, 4 garages. And actually, it's almost like there's 2 master baths. You'll know what I'm talking about. We're heading up to the bedroom areas now. All right, so again, the kitchen, the entryway, and now we're heading up the stairs. It's a beautiful split level home. Okay, so we're at one of the levels. Full bath, shower. One of the bedrooms. This has a plug-in light and an armoire. When I say plug-in light, it plugs in at the floor level. Another bedroom. Closet. We go down the hall. So those first 2 areas were obviously the smaller view of the backyard. Walk-in closet, pretty standard. This bathroom connects. So we have 2 sinks, towel rack. Again, beautiful tile for countertop, if you will. The potty. And shower. Coming out of this bedroom. Now this is a bedroom where it connected to the bath. As you can see right there, that's the bathroom we were just in, and another walk-in closet. So really nice. This is the room where I was saying it's almost like another master. Again, view of outside, very quiet, very naturey. All right, so check out your barn door closet. Not a closet, I lied to you, but the barn doors. Then you have closets on either side of the aisle, if you will. Just standard closets. This beautiful bath, so maybe mom or dad, if you have family with you, maybe they stay here. Or this would be their room, I mean. And a beautiful shower. Just a gorgeous home. This is over 4,000 square foot. And this was a complete rebuild in 2018. All right. So just so you get your bearings, there's the kitchen. There's the first level that we came up. And now let's go up to the master. The master's all by its lonesome. And of course it's ginormous. This is a long video, but it is just a beautiful house. A little sitting area. All right. Closet area, and then the world's largest bathroom. Linen closet. Another closet. Soaker tub. Shower. Vanity. Just a beautiful, beautiful home. So again, it's Kurt Clements with Graham Real Estate Group, just doing a little home tour of 29 West 320 James Avenue in West Chicago. We're heading downstairs, by the way. It is approximately a little over 4,000 square feet, 5 bedroom, 5 full bath, 4 car garage. Actually, yeah, we don't need to go see the garage. It's 4 cars. It's good. What a beautiful, beautiful home. All right, so again, it's Kurt Clements with Graham Real Estate Group at Keller Williams. I always have trouble doing that, trying to get that squared away. If you know anyone that would like to buy a home or sell their home, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to help you as well. All right, take care. Bye-bye.